Today I'm going to show you how to make cauliflower rice. Cauliflower rice is a substitute for white rice. It has got a very low glycemic index. Cauliflower rice contains all the benefits of cauliflower as a vegetable. Cauliflower is one of the healthiest vegetables for consumption. The nutritional benefits of cauliflower are plenty and they can be discussed in a separate video. Today I am going to show you how to make cauliflower rice. So for making cauliflower rice, I have used two cauliflowers here and I have cut them into florets like these. These are cauliflower florets. I have discarded the base leaves and the stem, and then I am taking them in a jar of a food processor. So this is a food processor, cauliflower florets inside. This jar has got a blade at the bottom, and I will be placing this jar in the food processor and it will come out and yield rice like this. So I can just show you the rice. Coarse particles, and this is cauliflower rice. Now I'm going to show you how to prepare it. So I've loaded the cauliflower florets into this food processor jar, and I'm going to place this in the food processor and just grind it. The florets should be small so that they don't get stuck in between the blades of this food processor which is here. This is probably a too big a floret. I will cut it into smaller pieces so that the movement is unimpeded. So a 1-inch piece probably is the right size. These are all bigger pieces. I will chop them into smaller pieces with a knife like that. And I'll grind them up. Lock the lid. Lock the jar in place. You can see that it's being easily ground within seconds. Coarsely ground cauliflower. So that's the secret. The cauliflower floret pieces should not be very big. They should be probably just 3/4 of an inch thick, and then it won't take time. Otherwise those big chunks like this will get stuck between the blades and they won't progress into the depth of this jar to be sliced apart by the blades. Empty the contents of this jar into this microwave bowl. When you have emptied all the contents of the food processor jar into the microwave bowl, desist or prevent the temptation of filling it with water to wash it and empty it into the cauliflower, because that will lead to too much of water and will take more time to cook. With this amount and with a very small amount of water, about 3 tablespoons, you can easily cook it in the microwave and full pressure. So I have this set of measures here. This is a tablespoon. I will be pouring 3 tablespoons for 2. Just I'm going to pour 6 tablespoons of water. This is water from the RO. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's it. So that's sufficient water. So that was about 200 ml from this tumbler. Cover it and place it in the microwave. I'm going to cook the cauliflower which I have just grated in the food processor in a microwave oven. Switch on the microwave oven. Take this bowl of cauliflower rice, place it in the center of the turntable. Choose microwave mode. By default, the smart microwave shows 30 seconds. So I want to ensure that it is at full power. So it's 900 watts. So I choose that and I set the time for 10 minutes. So it's set for 10 minutes and I start the microwave oven. So it's cooking, it's going to cook for 10 minutes, and at the end of 10 minutes I will check if it is properly cooked. 35 seconds to go. So it has cooked further. It's soft. It will be edible with paruppu pudi or paruppu powder, dal powder, ghee and brinjal curry. Brinjal curry is cooking here, and I've got paruppu pudi. So I'm going to eat cauliflower rice with paruppu pudi and rajma. So cauliflower rice can be a good staple diet for lunch and for early dinner, along with paruppu pudi or any other side dish like dal, sambar, rasam, curd. I've eaten it with all these things, with the curd, Greek yogurt, sambar, rajma, dal, everything. So it can be a component of keto diet or a low carb diet. If you want to get healthy, if you want to control your blood sugar, it is a very good substitute for white rice. It is better than brown rice, better than millets, better than quinoa and everything else. Moreover, it has got all the nutritional components of cauliflower itself. Cauliflower is a rich source of food. We'll be talking about that in another video. It's one of the top 10 vegetables for food. So this video will definitely be of use to those people who are diabetic. If you know somebody who is diabetic or pre-diabetic and want them to get better, then recommend this video to them. It's an easy way of cooking cauliflower, nutritious cauliflower rice in a very short time in a microwave. The process is very simple. Share it, give it a thumbs up, and if you like to keep getting these videos, subscribe to my channel A.K. Venkatachalam. I will see you in another video. Cheers.